Well, whether you're a pro or a homeowner, door jamb cuts can be one of the hardest part of an installation. So today we're going to show you how to make a U-shaped door jamb cut with Cortec vinyl. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I'm going to show you how to make a nice, easy U-shaped door jamb cut. So first thing we're going to do is put our board into place. We're going to line it up right here. And we're going to use my last row trick where we take a board, put it here, and we go right there, we go right there. We'll go ahead and figure where it's going to go under the door and mark that right there. So now we know what we want to do. And then of course this one right here, we want to end right about there. So it's going to go something like that right there, and then it's going to end up going around that side as well. Let's make our cut. This is what I basically like to call an impossible cut. Maybe it's not as impossible as some cuts, but it's pretty hard. So what I've done here is I've taken this one board, I've already started making a cut over here, and I've cut it into two. Now, when I put this in here, I'm gonna connect these boards with a dead end, no tangent groove, no locking system, underneath the smallest, right here, the smallest part of floor where it's showing right there. And that's where we're gonna butt these two boards together. It's a lot easier for me to slide this board under here and then take this board and slide this one and meet those two boards right here. And you'll never even realize that the board was cut or that it's an artificial seam. So that makes it a lot easier than trying to take one board and get it to make a U-shaped cut and get it under. Chances are you'll break the board. Eventually you can probably get it, but there's no reason to waste an hour or half an hour, however long it takes, when you can do this as two pieces and have it come out probably better in half the time. All right, and that ended exactly where we wanted to, the smallest part of the door stop. So here's the board that we cut off, and now this one here, we're just gonna mark the two sides where it goes under, right there. Now you notice it is on an angle, so we got to take that into consideration. And right there. So we just want to go, it's going to be something like that. Right there now. And that is what we've ended up with right there. Look at that. That's how we do a U-shaped door jamb cut with Cortec vinyl. Could I have done it in one try? Probably, but doing it as a two-piece cut made it a lot easier, and I didn't waste any unnecessary boards. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out all of our other videos on door jamb cuts, vinyl installation, and much, much more. But we need your help. YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so please tell your friends and family, like, share, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor and mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.